In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch Netflix on Discord step by step, so you can set up your screen share as smoothly as possible. Whether you're trying to stream a movie night with friends, watch a show together, or just learn how to get your apps configured correctly, this tutorial will walk you through the full process from start to finish. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open Netflix and sign into your account. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving on, because if you're not signed in yet, the rest of the setup won't work properly. Once Netflix is ready, open Discord next. You can use either the Discord desktop app or Discord in your browser, but for the most reliable experience, the desktop app is usually the better choice. Now, you need to join a voice channel or start a direct message or group call. This is the place where your stream will be shared with other people. If you're in a server, just join the voice channel you want to use. If you're watching with friends privately, you can start a DM call or a group call instead. Once you're inside the call or voice channel, leave Discord open and move to the next step. Next, open Netflix in a separate browser window or in the Netflix app window. This is important because Discord needs a window it can detect and share properly. If Netflix is open in the same tab as everything else, it may not appear the way you want it to when you try to stream it, so keep Netflix in its own window for the cleanest setup. Before you start screen sharing, there's one very important thing you need to do, and that is turn off hardware acceleration. This helps prevent black screens, playback issues, and other common problems when trying to share video content. If you're using Chrome, go to Settings, then System, and turn off Use Graphics Acceleration when available. After that, relaunch your browser so the change takes effect. If you're using another browser, look for a similar hardware acceleration setting and disable it there as well. Then, turn off hardware acceleration in Discord itself. Open User Settings, go to Advanced, and switch off hardware acceleration. Once again, relaunch Discord so the new setting is applied correctly. This step makes a big difference and is one of the most common fixes if your Netflix window doesn't behave properly during screen share. Now go back to Discord and click the screen share button. Discord will ask you what you want to share, and this is where you choose the Netflix browser window or the Netflix app window. Be sure to select the actual Netflix window, not just your entire screen, unless that's the setup you specifically want to use. After selecting the Netflix window, you'll see options for resolution and frame rate. Choose the quality that fits your internet connection and the experience you want. A higher resolution can look better, but if your connection is unstable, a lower setting may be smoother for everyone watching. Once you've chosen your settings, click Go Live or Share Screen to begin streaming. At this point, your Discord stream should be active. Now return to Netflix and start playing the video you want to watch. If everything was set up correctly, your friends or call members should now be able to see the stream through Discord. If the screen looks black or doesn't show properly, double check that hardware acceleration is turned off in both Chrome and Discord. Then try sharing the Netflix window again. And that's it. You've now learned how to watch Netflix on Discord using the proper setup. The key steps are signing into Netflix, opening Discord, joining a call, disabling hardware acceleration, selecting the correct window, and then starting your stream. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy guides, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.